Do you know? Many people learn computer, but they are not satisfied for their computer skill and their salary expectation. If we will search computer job, there is limits job and not pay so high salary. But in digitized era, animation-related jobs are overcoming, but lack of such skills, people are unemployed and need to learn animation, VFX, graphics, video editing, etc. Because demanding jobs for animator, Maya software expert, 2D animator expert, 3D animator expert, script writer, Blender software expert, character designing expert, etc. We are AnimaCrew Education Institute of Animation and VFX. We will teach you the right way to grow your potential in smart education way. So what are you waiting for? Enroll today in AnimaCrew Education. For more information, visit www.animacrewedu.com.